How to verify TegasFX profile and join partner program to earn in Forex market. TegasFX is a trusted Forex broker where you can make money by trading, or through their partner program. This tutorial is divided into 3 parts. Part 1. How to verify your profile ID. Step 1. Click on Profile in the client back office. Step 2. Click on Upload Documents. Step 3. Click on Select to choose which document you want to upload first. For this example, we are verifying an ID. Step 4. Select the date of expiration on your ID card. Step 5. Enter your identification number. Step 6. Choose whether it is a passport or an ID card. Step 7. Select your country. Step 8. Make sure the image of your ID is already saved on your device. Upload both the front and back. If you upload the wrong file, you can click Delete and re-upload. Step 9. Click Upload. You will get a notification that your document has been submitted. It will stay pending until approved. Once approved, you will receive an email from TegasFX. Part 2. How to verify your address. Step 1. Click on Select again. Step 2. Choose Proof of Address. Step 3. Select your country. Step 4. Enter your city. Step 5. Enter your street address. Step 6. Enter your postal code. Step 7. Upload your file. Accepted files include utility bills or bank statements. They must not be older than 3 months and must show the same address you are using for verification. Step 8. Click Upload and wait for your status to switch. Once approved, you will get an email from TegasFX. Part 3. How to apply for the TegasFX Partner Program to earn commission. Step 1. Click on Request Partner in the Partner menu. Step 2. Select your partner account currency. Step 3. Click Continue. You will get a thank you response from TegasFX. They will contact you once your partnership request is granted. Important note: as with any investment, returns may vary and involve risk. Always invest responsibly. Follow Wealth Builder Global Community for more tutorials and investment opportunities.